Hello techies, welcome back to our channel Canada Techie. If you are looking to stay relevant in the fast-paced world of IT, you are in the right place. In today's video, we'll be uncovering the 5 in-demand IT skills that will undoubtedly make your resume shine in 2023. Working in IT can mean anything from resolving an employee's Wi-Fi issues to programming an organization's new cloud infrastructure. Because the work is so diverse, the skills you need to know to get a job in the IT field can vary widely depending on your role. So let's dive right in. First one, cybersecurity. In the era of digital transformation, cybersecurity has never been more critical. Protecting sensitive data from cyber threats is a top priority for organizations worldwide. Starting out in a help desk, networking, or system administration role can introduce to concepts that are helpful to know for security purposes. The following skills can help you qualify for IT security positions like information security analyst at the entry level and beyond. Having expertise in areas like familiarity with physical network and software security, installing firewalls and routers, data encryption, risk mitigation strategy and threat analysis, knowledge of compliance regulations and standards like PCI DSS, HIPAA and CCPA, ethical hacking and penetration tests. So consider adding cybersecurity skills to your arsenal. Next one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning are reshaping industries across the world. From healthcare to finance, companies are harnessing the power of AI for better decision making and automation. One of the most popular technologies to master is machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence that is valuable for programmers and data specialists. Through online machine learning education, you can start learning the fundamentals. The following are examples of specific abilities related to machine learning: parametric and non-parametric algorithms, kernels, clustering, deep learning techniques. Learning to develop to deploy AI models can set you up for success. Imagine creating algorithms that predict trends or optimize process. The possibilities are endless. Next one, cloud computing. Cloud computing is the backbone of modern IT infrastructure. With the shift towards remote work, businesses rely on cloud platforms for storage, scalability, and flexibility. Cloud computing skills are in demand, including anything from building cloud infrastructure to maintaining them. Working with cloud technology can open doors to positions like cloud developer, cloud administrator, and cloud architect. Proficiency in cloud platforms like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud can make you an asset to any organization. It's time to take your skills to the cloud. Next one, data analysis and visualization. Data is the new gold, and those who can mine and interpret it are in high demand. Whether you are uncovering insights or making data understandable through visualization, data skills are indispensable. Companies need experts who can turn raw data into actionable strategies. Being able to analyze data will be useful for various IT tasks. Monitoring performance data can help teams find security threats or see where inefficiencies exist in their operations. Jobs that work with data in the IT realm include database administrators and data engineers. Below are the skills we need to focus on: SQL, statistics, Python. Sharpen your data analysis skills and watch your career prospects grow. Last one is programming and development. Programming is at the heart of IT. Whether you are into web development, app creation, or software engineering, strong programming skills are non-negotiable. It will also be useful for IT workers who want to automate tasks. Languages like Python, Java, C++, Ruby, PowerShell, and JavaScript continue to dominate this. Showcasing your ability to build functional and efficient solutions will make you an invaluable asset. And there you have it, folks. The 5 in-demand IT skills that will make your resume stand out in 2020. Embracing these skills can transform your career trajectory and open doors to exciting opportunities. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable insight. Until next time, keep innovating.